Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Videos. So in this tutorial, we are going to see how to sort the data received from Google Forms. As we know, the data in the Google Forms will be in the unsorted forms. If we sort the data also, the missed data we cannot handle. We need to manually check for entries, which is a tedious task. Okay. So now what our task is from here, we need to copy this for the ratings given by USN 1 and we need to paste in this our file. That is the our score for feedback form. So we need to paste. So doing this manual task, it's a very tedious task. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to use Vlookup command for it. So how we are going to use Vlookup command? So here you can see this is the USN entered by the students. So here there are missed USN such as USN 003 and 005 is not present. So likewise there are missed entries. So we cannot directly copy from here and we can paste over here because here there are some other entries like 003 we have here. So we cannot directly copy and paste. So what we will do is first step we'll use Vlookup command. To do that Vlookup command, so first what we will do for this column, we are going to insert one column here. So we have inserted the column over here. So now what we will do is we will take from this the last three digits. Okay, that is 4DM22IS001. From this data, we are going to fetch only 001. That is last three characters. So for that command is mid, open the bracket, select the text, comma, start number address. So it starts from 8, comma, number of characters. We want 3 characters. That is 001. So 3. Close the bracket and hit enter. So here you can see we have got 001. So I'll autofill it. Yes, you can see till 59 it has been autofilled. Okay. So now I'll remove all this data which are not necessary for me. I'll delete all this data. Yeah, this data I don't want it. Okay. So now I'll go to the form where I need to paste the rating. So here I need to paste the rating according to the USN. I need to insert here one more column, follow the same procedure. So now in this my feedback form, analysis form. So what I'll do is I'll insert one more column. So I'll carry out the same process, that is mid, the text I'll select, comma, start address is 8, comma, number of characters is 3. I want last 3 characters, so enter. So I'll double click on it so that it autofills. So here you can see it has autofilled. So now next is in this CO1, I want what is the rating given by the student 001 in CO1. So here you can see, so this is my Google form. So this is CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4 and CO5. So here, so this 5 rating should be pasting it over here in this. So if I do it manually, it's a tedious task. So I'm using a Vlookup command. So equal to type in Vlookup. Okay. Then first select this value. That is what we want to search. We want to search 001, comma, the table of array. So here we'll go to the next, like the Google sheet. So here I'll select this complete table. So you need to select the complete table. Then hit and then here you need to write comma. Then it is asking for column index. So what column index value I want? I want second column index. So my table consists of starts from this from here till here. So the value over here is it's the second column. Okay, it is in the second column. So I'll write 2 here, comma. So it is asking whether you want exact match. So I want an exact match. So I'll double click on this false button. I'll close the bracket and I'll hit enter. So here you can see this 5 is same as that of the value that I have received from 001 for CO1. So likewise, I'll autofill this. See, we'll double check over here. The USN 006 has given me the rating 3. Now go and check in Google Forms. USN, yes, you can see here 006. He has given me rating 3. Okay, so the form is correct. So now here one more issue is, so at the last we want here addition of it. So here it's showing me NA. This is because of non-applicable values. So what I need to do is I need to replace this NA with dash. So here there are only few entries, so you can manually replace this with a dash. But for that, if there are large entries, so there is a formula for it. So what is the formula? So click over here, okay, and type in if NA, if the value is NA, so then what I will do is comma, double quotes, I want to place that NA with a dash. So here you can see this much changing we need to do. If the value is NA, then what I need to do? I need to replace that with a dash. So I'll hit enter. So you can see NA has been replaced with a dash. Yes. So this has been done. So this USN 6061 has not given me any rating. So it is a dash. And here you can see the total of it is 226. So now I need to repeat the same process for this. So I click here. So for this first, I'll write if NA. I'll paste that command if NA. Then comma, double quotes, dash, double quotes, close, and close the bracket because I want NA values to be replaced with double quotes. So I'll drag this. So first, now I'll get NA values. I'll explain you why I'm getting NA values. That is dash values. See here. So now in the first column, so I was selecting B6, right? B6, that is this one. When it went over here, when I dragged it over here, it has changed to C6. That means I'm checking for 5. But this is not true. So this should be made as B6. It should be made as B6. Okay. So now when you have made it as B6, so here which column, this also you need to change. Which column you want the value for the second column. So it is the third column. So press enter. So now likewise, so if you don't want to do this each time changing of this, so what you can do is you can place here dollar symbol. If you place the dollar symbol, so this B6 will be fixed. So let me show you this. Let me drag till this over here. Yes, you can see this. Now I'm clicking on the third row. You can see this $B6 is fixed. Fifth row, $B6 is fixed. So here see $B6 is fixed. So now in the third row, we want the value of column number 4. In F row, we want value of column number 5. And in CO6, I want column number value of 6. So that's it, guys. So we have easily created our feedback form analysis. So just double click, your work is done. Yes, you can see it's the respective sum of the columns. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any doubts regarding this Vlookup command, you can comment in the comment section. I'll definitely help you on it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let us meet in the next tutorial video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.